These are instructions for your third writing lesson this week. To get there, you're going to go to classwork. At the top of the page, you will see an assignment. It'll first look like this, my favorite book of the week. Click on that. It's easiest for students to click on the picture, and it will bring them each to their own assignment called My Favorite Book by, and here's where they will type their name, press enter, and write their favorite book. Here's a little lesson about what we're looking for. So my favorite book I read this week was on Epic, and it was called Cinderella Penguin. And here's my example. Each student at this point of the year has learned to introduce their topic with this green topic sentence. My favorite book I read this week was Cinderella Penguin on Epic. The yellow is for all the reasons. We expect at least 3 reasons with transition words. One reason I enjoyed this book is because all the characters are penguins and not people. Also, that's another transition word. Also, I thought it was funny that the penguin had a glass flipper instead of a glass slipper. Finally, there's another transition word. I like that the kind, humble penguin got a happy ending and not the selfish, vain stepsisters. That is why I liked Cinderella Penguin. The red is your conclusion sentence. We always want to end with the conclusion. So, just a reminder, all students should have an introduction, and that could look something like, my favorite book I read this week was, and they need their reasons. Make sure to include transition words such as one reason, another reason, also, furthermore, in addition, and finally. They can use any of these 3. Obviously, finally can only go in front of the last reason and the conclusion. That is why my favorite book this week was. So hopefully that is helpful to you. And again, this is what their finished product should look like. And in my class, I do encourage students to highlight their topic sentence in green, and that's up here with the highlighter, and their reasons in yellow, highlighting up here, and their conclusion sentence in red. That really helps them double check themselves that they have their introduction, their reasons, and their conclusion. So I can't wait to see your favorite books you read this week.